how's everyone doing today? I am Coach Laudiaann, and I am live. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Get excited, okay? Actually, I have updates on my YouTube channel. Got fresh videos. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and take a look at it. I'm Mindset Coach Laudiaann, and if you happen to go on YouTube, find my channel. I need your help to press the like button, watch a video, help me restore my YouTube watch hours. I am already in the process of monetization, but I did lose some watch time hours, and many of you guys have already been helping me, but I'm still restoring my hours to get monetized. I actually did a lot of changes with my YouTube channel. I have made a better channel, giving an introduction video and an exit outro video too as well in all my videos. I've removed some of the music content because I used to like to make videos with music in the background, maybe because of some of the music I was using, and I use a lot of my mentors' videos on my channel. And you cannot use other people's content if you did not if you did not edit their videos. But I did not, I didn't have time to actually take a look at all my videos. I had 280 videos, and once again, I want to ask you guys, if you're monetized, you already got your watch time hours, you have a lot of videos, go through all your videos first, because once you get approved with your AdSense, they're going to take a look at your videos right away. I mean, that's what they did to me, and they found a lot of things that they did not like my channel to have. So I took most of my videos, I deleted some, but got some restored, okay? And this is my channel right now, so I need your help. And so I encourage you guys to go ahead and help me restore my channel. Would really appreciate that. Thank you for your help. Thank you, returning subscribers. You're new to my channel, don't forget to watch my videos before you ever subscribe, because I want you guys to be interested, and I want you guys really to be devoted to my channel. If you really love my channel, then subscribe. If you don't, you don't have to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I want people to know that I'm online. I'm helping anyone that want to make money online. I do follow successful people, successful mentors, and I'm going to be making more videos, and they're going to be better content as the days go by down the future. All right, guys. Today I wanted to talk about. Okay, let me remove my channel. Alrighty. Okay, now today I wanted to talk about developing a sense of style. And what you need to do, first of all, you got to work on your belief. Okay, your belief is your core of your heart and how you see things on the outside. You got to develop the you inside. You got to build that self-confidence, and you got to believe and see the results, the end results of what you want out of life. All right. I wrote some notes here about developing a sense of style. Everybody has a different kind of style. Don't follow my style. I brand my own self. You got to brand your own self. You got your own style, and be yourself. Be the best you can be to brand yourself online. Whatever you do, whatever whatever you desire, whatever your goals are, what you're trying to achieve, you can become successful online, offline. It all depends on what you decide, but you gotta know your goals. You gotta know your intentions. You gotta know your whys before you can ever start your goals in life to make it happen. One of the things that have actually helped me is to write a journal. So you need to write down the journal, write the things that you're doing, what you're currently doing, what you're doing currently in the future. All right. You got to see yourself what you're doing in the future. You got to see yourself successful already. All right. Be the best. So how do you develop a sense of style? Don't make things so complicated. Make things simple. Okay, approach life simple. All right. Remind yourself today that you are the creator, that you are the artist, that you are the one that creates your world. Okay, your world. What you do best is you. So do the things that you do best. Okay. So I'm finding out that I actually been looking up with one of my mentors under the entree membership. I'm actually one of the membership there on Entra, and and I'm learning actually how to brand myself, and I'm learning a lot how to be a better affiliate marketer. Today I'm setting up a Zoom conference with them that they're going to help me plan my what my goals are. So you do need help. You do need guidance. You got to follow successful leaders and successful people to make things happen online. Now, if you haven't made money online yet, you can't go do it by yourself alone. You actually have to have help. So I encourage you guys to find a mentor who you believe in and follow them and be successful with them. Okay. But let's go back about developing a sense of style. So believe in yourself, believe in your course, be confident. You have your own sense of style. You have your own personality, your own, just be yourself, okay? That's the main thing is be yourself. Don't be afraid, just go for it, okay? Like I'm making this video, I'm just, whatever I'm going to talk about, I'm going to talk about, okay? I'm taking action because I believe that I can help people online. And that's why I'm on this video, this video right now, to help you develop your sense of style, of how to brand yourself. Okay. Let's see. Trust in yourself. Present yourself. Groom yourself. Be genuine. Have a lifestyle of living a successful life. All right. And wear who you are. Of course, I'm not wearing no business. I'm just doing my everyday. I actually going to go work out, but I'm just wearing a t-shirt. Actually, my husband gave me this t-shirt from work because he works with people. He's actually a counselor, so he works at a rehab place for people that have drug addictions and stuff like that. But he actually gave me this shirt. It's called Restorations Healthcare, and in the back it says, Hope Dealer. Did you see it? It's called Hope Dealer. All right. What you need to do, everyone, you got to find what works for you. All right. Let nothing stop you. Take action. Be a little bit daring. Stretch your challenges. Challenge yourself. Okay. Be daring. Just run with it. You have your own style. All right. And like me, I'm still learning about my style. Okay, I am actually a crafter. I crochet. I do craft shows, and I do that because that's my passion. So I think my goal is with my advisor on my Zoom call today. My business plan. I think I'm going to develop a course. I did an intense 6-lesson course with them right now, and they're sharing with me and whatever door I choose, they're going to help me build that door. So part of my brand is to make products, courses with crochet, and I don't know what direction yet, but that's one of my main goals, and create ebooks. I do have an Etsy shop too as well, and I want to do something digital too online. I really believe in a mindset, so I want to create some mindset courses too. So anyway, guys, I I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna let everyone go. And let me go back and remind everyone here. Don't forget to stop by at my channel, Call to Action. Press the like button. Watch a video for me. Subscribe to my channel if you love my channel. I am going to be making better content, deliver you guys more positive videos, so that you can relate to being successful online. And guys, thank you for stopping by. I will talk to you soon. All right. Bye bye for now.